everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 18-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 18-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 18-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 18-1 work together, where we will be journalizing buying plant assets and paying property tax. So the instructions say the cash payments journal and selected general ledger accounts for Sing Paint Store are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. Journalize the following transactions completed during the current year. Use page 1 of a cash payments journal. The abbreviation for a check is C. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given 4 transactions, and they are dated on January 3rd, 5th, February 26th, and July 2nd. And number 2 is asking us to post the general columns of the cash payments journal to the general ledger. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 18-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 18-1 work together, in which we will be journalizing buying plant assets and paying property tax. Alright, so that is the end of the 18-1 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 18-2 text. Okay? Thank you.